Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my daily routine to level up my life and make some real self-improvements. We get stuck in our old habits, and before we know it, days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and months turn into years. We get comfortable in our comfort zone, and the thought of stepping out becomes daunting. We make excuses, we procrastinate, and we let fear hold us back. But what if I told you that the biggest obstacle to self-improvement is not the lack of resources, but the lack of motivation? What if I told you it's not the skill or the talent that holds you back, but your mindset and your attitude? It's about breaking down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks and then taking action on them consistently. It's about celebrating those tiny victories that often go unnoticed, but make a huge difference in the long run. Real self-improvement is a journey that requires commitment, effort, and patience. It's about setting realistic goals, maintaining a growth mindset, and doing the work consistently. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your self-improvement journeys in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on self-improvement, productivity, and personal growth.